Meaning of Fleet Street.
Fleet Street.
Fleet Street.
Fleet Street.
Fleet Street. Fleet Street is a street in central London, England. It was once the hub of British journalism and publishing industry, and it has been associated with the British press since the 16th century. The street was home to many major newspapers such as the Daily Telegraph, the Sun, and the Daily Express. However, many of these newspaper offices have now moved to other locations. Today, Fleet Street is known for its historic buildings and landmarks, including St. Bride's Church and the Royal Courts of Justice.